Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this bang without a closure. So I'll be using this straight Brazilian natural hair from Aka. It came in 4 bundles. For extra security, use your T-pins to pin down your extensions. In this video, I'm using the fold over method, so just watch carefully to better understand how I'm doing it. I'm just going through in between the weft and then through the cap and then through the loop, like so. Then you pull. You want to do that like 2 to 3 times just so it's secure. Okay, I'll be very quick in this tutorial. If you follow all my videos, you'll better understand what I am doing, so please check those out. So I'm going to continue sewing in the U pattern until I get to the arch of the cap. Then I take my extensions to the front. So now I'm going to take my extensions to the front and sew in circular motion twice, just because I don't want my fringe to be too full. Okay, since I'm not sure of how much heat this Aka Brazilian hair can take, I'm just going to use another hair from Noble, just in front, only the front part. Okay, like I said before, I'm going to do this twice just because I don't want the front part to be too full, but it depends on how you want it. If you want your fringe too full, you can continue this circular motion until you close up, and if you don't want, depending on how full you want, like I just want it very scanty, so I'm going to do this 2 times. So I'm going to continue to sew in the U part technique. The reason is to stay away from the full fringe area because I don't want it to be full, like I said earlier. And then I'll continue like that until the circle gets smaller. Then I'll finish up in a circular motion. Okay, at this point I've taken my extensions to the front twice, so I'm going to continue in the U part technique. Okay, at this point, instead of going to the front, I had to turn back because I want to stay away from the front because I don't want my full fringe. I keep calling it full fringe. I don't want my fringe to be full. I want it very scanty. So if you want your fringe to be full, don't turn back at this point. Go to the front, like keep sewing in circular motion. That way your full That way your fringe becomes full. But if you don't want it to be full, then continue in the U pattern until the circle is very small. I am still sewing in the U pattern, so instead of going to the front, I'm going to turn back again. So I'm going to continue like this until the circle gets much smaller. Okay, now that I think the circle is much smaller, I'm going to go to the front and start to sew in a circular motion because I'm about to close up the wig. And please, if you're enjoying this video right now, please don't forget to subscribe, like it, and please comment down below and tell me if I nailed this closing technique. Like, I'm just feeling myself right now. You guys won't believe that this is the first time I'm trying this out. So however it comes out, don't judge me, please. Don't be too harsh on me, but I know I like the closing. I closed it well. I nailed it. Yeah, I did. Okay, I'm going in with my styling moves now. I don't know why it's like this. I think it's because I didn't shake it before using it. So I'm just using the styling moves because I want all the stray hairs to slip, to lay down. And I'm just spraying it with my shine, whatever. So now I'm going in with my straightener to straighten the front. So again, I used the Noble, I can't remember the full name because I'm not sure if this hair, if their Brazilian hair can take, I don't know how much heat it can take, so I just decided to use the Noble just to be safe. Okay, time to cut a fringe. I'm just going to section out the front part, then twist 3 times, then cut it. The reason for the twist is just so you get this layer, little layer, like the shortest part of it is in the middle, and then it flows a little bit, as in it becomes longer to the side, if that makes sense. I'm just adding extra layers by cutting those off. So I'm just using my straightener to make sure there are no bumps in the middle, as in where I closed up. So I'm just using my scissors to kind of like take out some from the front area, because I like it very scanty. So again, depends on how you like it, so you make it the way you like it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.